Did you know that incorporating superfoods in your daily diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases by up to 20%? Yes, you heard that right. The power of superfoods is truly extraordinary. But let's take a step back. What exactly are superfoods? Superfoods is a term often used to describe food with high nutritional density. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for our bodies to function optimally. They're like the superheroes of the food world, swooping in to save the day with their nutrient-rich powers. Now, you might be wondering, what makes a food a superfood? Well, it's not about being exotic or expensive. It's about the density of nutrients. From the humble blueberry to the mighty kale, superfoods come in all shapes and sizes. They're not just limited to fruits and vegetables either. Nuts and seeds, fish, whole grains, and even dark chocolate can make it to the superfoods list. So, what are some of the healthiest superfoods that you should be adding to your daily diet? Here's a quick rundown. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants and great for heart health. Avocados, packed with healthy fats and fiber. Spinach, high in iron and calcium. Almonds, a fantastic source of protein and vitamin E. And let's not forget about quinoa, a complete protein and a great source of fiber. The beauty of superfoods is that they're incredibly versatile. You can incorporate them in your meals in so many ways. Toss some spinach into your morning smoothie, add a handful of almonds to your afternoon snack, grill some fish for dinner. The options are endless. But remember, while superfoods are fantastic, they are not a substitute for a balanced diet. They should be part of a varied, nutrient-rich diet and a healthy lifestyle. So if you're looking to boost your health, superfoods are the way to go. They're the superheroes we need in our daily fight against diseases and health issues. So why not give them a try? After all, the best health insurance is a good diet, and superfoods, they're the premium package. Now that you understand the importance of superfoods, here are the top 5 superfoods you need to include in your diet immediately. First up, we have chia seeds. These tiny but mighty seeds are among the best superfoods for brain health. In addition to being rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain function, they're also packed with antioxidants and fiber. Chia seeds are easy to incorporate into your diet. Sprinkle them on your cereal, mix them into your yogurt, or add them to your smoothies for a nutrient boost. Next, let's talk about avocados. Not only are they absolutely delicious, but they're also one of the superfoods for weight loss. Avocados are high in healthy fats, which can help you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating. They're also loaded with fiber and have been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Kale is our third superfood, and it's one of the healthiest greens you can eat. It's packed with vitamins A, K, and C, and is a good source of calcium, potassium, and iron. Kale also contains an antioxidant called lutein, which helps protect your eyes from damage. Fourth on our list is the humble blueberry. These little berries are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're one of the best superfoods to eat for their high antioxidant content, which can help protect your body from damage by harmful free radicals. Blueberries are also high in fiber and vitamin C. Finally, we have quinoa. This grain is one of the 5 superfoods that will improve your health. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. Quinoa is also high in fiber and minerals like magnesium and manganese. So, these were the top 5 superfoods that you can start incorporating in your diet today. Remember, a balanced diet is key to good health, and these superfoods are a great way to boost the nutritional value of your meals. So why wait? Start adding these superfoods to your diet and experience the health benefits they offer. But what if you have specific health conditions such as diabetes or kidney problems? Are there superfoods for that? Indeed, there are. Superfoods are not just for those striving for general health and wellness, but they also offer targeted benefits for specific health conditions. Let's delve into this. If you're one of the millions grappling with diabetes, you'll be thrilled to hear about some superfoods that are particularly beneficial for controlling blood sugar levels. These diabetes superfoods are packed with nutrients that can aid in regulating your glucose and keeping you healthy. Take cinnamon, for example. This aromatic spice is not just for your apple pie, it's a veritable superfood for diabetics, helping to decrease insulin resistance and lower blood sugar levels. Another superfood to consider is the humble avocado. Yes, that's right. This buttery fruit is high in healthy fats and fiber, which can slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and prevent spikes in blood glucose. Now, let's talk about kidney health. If you're looking to support your kidneys, there are specific superfoods for kidneys that can be a great addition to your diet. Take, for instance, the red bell pepper. This vibrant vegetable is low in potassium, a nutrient those with kidney issues often need to limit, and high in antioxidants, making it a perfect choice for kidney-friendly diets. And let's not forget about the powerful blueberry. These small but mighty fruits are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, that protect against heart disease and cancer, as well as helping to decrease inflammation, a common issue in those with kidney problems. In a nutshell, superfoods can be a powerful tool in managing specific health conditions. From diabetes, superfoods like cinnamon and avocados, to kidney-friendly choices like red bell peppers and blueberries, these nutrient-dense foods can help you take control of your health. So even if you have specific health issues, there are superfoods that can help you manage these conditions. Remember, it's not just about eating healthy, it's about eating smart. And superfoods, my friends, are the smartest choice you can make for your well-being. Now, you might be wondering, how can I incorporate these superfoods in my daily diet? Well, let's dive right in. To make the most of these health boosters, you don't need to move mountains. It's all about making small, simple changes to your everyday meals. Let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Instead of reaching for that sugar-laden cereal, how about whipping up a smoothie? Add a handful of berries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a dash of spirulina. These are some of the best superfoods to eat every day, packed with antioxidants and nutrients that will fuel your body for the day ahead. For lunch, think colorful. A vibrant salad with leafy greens, tomatoes, avocados, and a drizzle of olive oil can do wonders for your health. These superfoods are rich in vitamins, fiber, and healthy fats. If you're not a salad person, no worries. Add these powerful foods to your wraps, sandwiches, or even pasta dishes. Now, let's talk about dinner. A great way to incorporate superfoods into your evening meal is by adding them to your main dishes. Quinoa, for instance, is a versatile grain that can be used in a variety of recipes. It's one of the top superfoods to eat daily. Loaded with protein and fiber, pair it with grilled salmon, another superfood rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and you've got yourself a nutrient-dense meal. But let's not forget about snacks. Nuts and seeds like almonds and flax seeds are superfoods that you can munch on throughout the day. Not only will they keep your hunger at bay, but they'll also provide your body with essential nutrients. Incorporating superfoods in your diet doesn't mean you have to give up your favorite foods. It's about adding more of the good stuff, the superfoods, to your meals. Remember, it's not about a complete diet overhaul. It's about making small tweaks to your daily meals to include more superfoods. This way, you're not just eating, you're nourishing your body with the best superfoods to eat every day. Incorporating superfoods in your diet is easier than you think. So are you ready to give these superfoods a try and boost your health? Now that we've unraveled the secrets of the top 5 superfoods that you need to eat, it's time to take the next step. You see, knowledge is power, but applying that knowledge is where the real power lies. It's not just about knowing what these health-boosting foods are, it's about incorporating them into your diet. That's how you unlock the best superfoods for health and all the benefits they bring. So let's make a pact here. Let's decide to take the leap and start adding these superfoods to our daily meals. Whether it's a sprinkle of chia seeds on your morning cereal, a handful of blueberries in your smoothie, or a serving of quinoa with your dinner, every little bit counts. And remember, it's not a race, but a journey towards better health. But don't just take our word for it. Try it for yourself and become a testament to the power of superfoods. We're sure you'll notice a difference in your energy levels, your mood, and overall well-being. And when you do, we want to hear about it. Share your experiences with us. Let us know how these superfoods have made a difference in your life. Your stories inspire us and our community. And guess what? The journey doesn't stop here. There's a world of superfoods out there waiting to be discovered. So if you want to continue this adventure towards a healthier life, make sure you're part of our community. Remember, your health is your wealth. Start incorporating these superfoods in your diet and see the difference it makes. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy.